A grizzly bear is a threatening creature, but grizzly bears are a threatened species. In order to ensure a sustainable future for our big, brown, furry neighbors in Western Alberta, it is vital that we better understand the relationship that they have with their habitat and manage landscapes for both human and wildlife needs. Snow is an integral part of bear habitat in Alberta, yet we know little about the relationship to bear behavior. Snow conditions are believed to impact hibernation and are known to dictate when and where food resources are available. Snow melts later in the mountains, so food appears sooner at lower elevations, which could drive bears into areas where they're more likely to have negative encounters with humans. Believe it or not, when bears and humans meet, the bear usually loses. The goal of my research is to investigate the relationship between grizzly bear behavior and snow dynamics so that we can implement smart population recovery efforts rooted in hard science. I have built a satellite imagery snow cover map and used that map to connect the dots between grizzly bear movement and snow dynamics. By dots, I mean the GPS locations of a multitude of bears that have been collared for almost 20 years. My snow cover map gives me daily measurements on a 30-meter by 30-meter grid for the last 2 decades. This is now the most comprehensive data set of snow cover ever developed for this region. A grizzly bear wakes up from hibernation underground. Its GPS collar pings a nearby satellite, and I get its location every hour. I then analyze the distance traveled and turning angle between each and every location and coordinate it to nearby snow conditions. I hypothesize that bears are moving away from the snowy hills during springtime in search of better food resources at lower elevations. Through a better understanding of the relationship between bear behavior and snow dynamics in the springtime, I hope to assist land managers to make good decisions about limiting access and promoting bear recovery during critical times of the year. Let's make sure that Canada's iconic species does not meet the same gloomy fate as so many of the Earth's wonderful large mammals. Thank you.